Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Explorer cabin air filter. First, gather your essential tools, which usually include a small screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface and completely turned off before you begin. The cabin air filter is commonly found behind the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle, so that is where we will focus our attention. To access the filter, begin by opening your glove box and removing everything inside. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the retaining stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further. Once released, carefully lower the glove box completely to reveal the cabin air filter housing located behind it. Now, locate the filter housing cover. You will typically find 2 or 3 small clips holding it in place. Unclip these to remove the cover. Carefully pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter, as the new one must be installed with its arrow pointing in the same direction, usually downward. Slide the new filter into the housing. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the filter housing cover and snap its clips securely. Then, lift the glove box back up, pressing inward on the sides again to re-engage the stops. Finally, close the glove box. With a fresh cabin air filter, you will immediately notice improved air quality inside your vehicle and enhanced efficiency from your heating and air conditioning system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.